Test recording is the very first step in creating a load test. To record a test with CloudPuncher, you do not need to download any additional software or use special IDEs or frameworks. To begin, log on to your account, open Test Manager, and create a new workflow. Enter a name for the workflow. For example, my workflow is called Basic Calculation. Click the Create button to finalize workflow creation. Alternatively, if you already have a workflow, you can select it and record additional user activity in it. To start the recorder, click the Start button. CloudPuncher automatically allocates a special recording server in the cloud and informs you about the server configuration parameters. You will need to configure your computer to use the recording server as a proxy. CloudPuncher detects the operating system and the browser you use and provides specific instructions for your environment. For example, I use Mac OS X on this computer, and the instructions provided by CloudPuncher are specific for this operating system. Follow the instructions on the page you get and make the configuration changes. I will quickly make the changes in my system now. Now that the changes are done, my computer is ready to start the recording. To start the recording, simply navigate to your site or application and use it as a user of your site would. For example, in this case, I open a very basic page which contains a basic Flex application. As the page is loaded, you can see the recorded requests in the CloudPuncher Test Manager. There are several requests in the recording. One is for the actual page and the resources it references, and there is one for the requests the Flex application made. When you are ready to stop the recording, turn off the recording server configuration on your computer. In my case, I need to turn it off in the network configuration. And finally, stop the test in Test Manager. Once the recording is stopped, you can see the details for each invocation. For instance, standard HTTP requests will show HTTP headers, or form submissions will contain the form data as well. You can also easily remove any unwanted requests by clicking the Delete button. This concludes the overview of test recording. Happy load testing!